Today we are going to discuss the benefits of using a digital pick list such as the one provided by Windward Software. If you're like many companies that manage a warehouse or deal with large orders with a lot of inventory, you may currently be struggling with knowing what's been ordered, what's been picked, or even cross-referencing customer name and addresses to ensure that the right products are matching the right order for the right customer. In this example, we've got an open work order with about 10 items on it, and you can see when we go to print that one of our form options is a pick list. If I preview this, you will be able to see that we do give you the option to print a pick list that can also be sorted by a specific location. As you can see in this example, this pick list does include the customer information, address information, as well as the part numbers, product descriptions, and quantities of the products on the order. We can use our pick slip check tool to actually go and pick the inventory now. The way this works is when you open this up, the first thing that you're going to do is select the invoice. To do this, we can pull up the invoice number, look it up by customer, or I'm just going to hit recent to pull up this example that we were working on earlier. When you do that, you can see that it's now put all of the parts onto this pick slip check with the quantity ordered, and it's left the quantity picked at 0. Now what you might notice is we do have the option to work with a data collector, and you can see that we can actually scan to add the parts to show that they've been picked. Because I'm doing this demonstration without a data collector, I'm just going to show you that you can actually come in here and just verify the quantities that are being picked at this point. Again, using a barcode scanner or a data collector will make this much more speedy for you. Once you've verified that the quantities have been picked, you have a verify option here, and you can then go and print this. I'll also draw your attention to the fact that it does date and timestamp who it's been verified by. And we do have the option to print this as well. And I'll just preview this for you here. So again, it's going to show you the invoice, the customer information, who verified the pick slip, as well as the part numbers, the description, and what has actually been picked, and if there is any differences there. So why is this information so important? Well, if you are a business that runs a warehouse, or maybe you manage a large showroom or a large retail space where you manage a lot of inventory and large orders, you may not be aware that of all of your warehouse operational costs, labor typically accounts for 50 to 70%. And of those costs, order picking typically accounts for more than 50%. So by implementing a digital pick list such as the one found in Windward Software, we can really help reduce that labor time and eliminate some costly errors in the business. Give us a call today to find out more.